Tanghe County, China, July 18, 2024.
这小货车已经趴我这儿。
Since July 16th, heavy rains have hit southwest and east-central Henan, with Nanyang and other areas becoming the national rainfall center. Among them, the water condition of the Tanghe hydrological station showed a water level of 98.33 meters at 10.30 and a flow rate of 4,700 cubic meters per second. The Tanghe County Flood Control Command Office launched a Level 1 flood control emergency response on July 18th. On the afternoon of July 18th, several rescue teams rushed to Hushi Village, Heilong Town, Tanghe County, and experienced firsthand the critical moment of rescuing and transporting villagers trapped in the flood. Around 12 members of the Jinan Imin rescue team and 9 members of the Zhongji rescue team had just completed dam strengthening work in Sheki County on Wednesday. Nanyang Emergency Command Center. Various emergency information is constantly flashing on the LED screen. Sheki, Tanghe, and Shinya were 3 areas that were badly affected by the disaster. The rainfall in Dafanjing in Sheki County was 797.8 millimeters, and the rainfall in Kwoto in Sheki County was 738.9 millimeters. Tanghe County Flood Control moved up and down after hearing the flood and headed for the peak. The deputy director of the Tanghe County Emergency Management Bureau stood beside the embankment and told the media that before the flood peak arrives, Tanghe County needs to relocate 14 towns, 79 administrative villages, 31,000 households and 78,000 people, and all of them have been relocated.
意思不要慌，先拍个抖音再说，你看嘛。
During monitoring, agricultural land in Yuanlu Village, Yuantan Town, Tanghe County was badly flooded, and crops were almost covered by orange floodwaters. Due to rainfall, the urban areas of Tanghe district caused peak flooding that occurred once in 50 years. The water level reached 97.31 meters, exceeding the warning water level at the Tanghe urban location of 1.31 meters, and the flow rate reached 3,400 cubic meters per second. Floodwaters hit, challenging 100 miles of levees. On the 18th, the rescue team arrived in Hushi village, Tanghe County, nearly 100 kilometers from Nanyang city, carrying 4 assault boats and dozens of life jackets. After this heavy rain, the flood situation became very serious because the north and west sides of Hushi village crossed the Tanghe River. The rushing water made a roaring sound and flooded the rice fields around the village. From a distance, it looked like the entire village was completely submerged in rolling yellow water. Even while standing on the safer cement road in front of the village, many whirlpools caused by rapids could be seen on the water not far away.
你看嘛，个人过去看嘛。
哦，好大一个，
好深，你看。
下好大的雨，成河了。
你说这水涨多点哟？第二次又涨上来，3天涨了2次啊！你就这回的。
To mark a safe area amidst water turbulence, the rescue team arranged for personnel to pull a tens of meters long safety marking rope across the entire surface of the water at a slightly higher location. Next, the rescue team immediately directed the attack boat to Hushi village, which was besieged by floods, and moved the trapped villagers. During the rescue process, the water level around Hushi village rose rapidly. In less than 40 minutes, the water level on the west side of Hushi village rose by more than 1 meter. Higher areas have cement roads and many small bridges between villages. Roads that were previously unpaved are now knee-deep in water. Only by holding on tightly to the rope could one stabilize oneself in the current.
小锤，但是呢，水太快了，1-2分钟就涨起来了，好嘛。